Hi there. Just to put my old school hand to look professional, because we're talking about Ford Anglia, 60 years old lady, Miss Anglia. This is a radiator box, small radiator box, which lives here, right? As you can see, it's brand new, right? I'm joking. We have new one over there. Camera, please. So there was no good one on the market, and we, like we used to do, we made one. What's the story with this part? The small radiator lives inside, and that radiator is in charge for heating in the car. It's old, it's older than museum. So our job was to make this box from the scratch and make it work. So the water goes from the engine, hot water goes inside, and then transfer the heat into the car. And there is some levers and some lids and hatches and other yokes that Bojo made it work. So we made this, Bojo tried on the car, it works, then we just prepare and paint. So those days it's gonna go on the car. So we can throw away this. Bye-bye. Let's talk about car a bit. This is right engine bay, still no engine inside. The engine is in the mechanic department with Mr. Perfect Organizer, Mr. Kevin. And I hope that next week will be inside. So we were playing with this and this, and the point was, even if the new part is original like the old one, we place it here, we close the bonnet to see is there any maybe mistake or not. Luckily, no mistakes, everything is perfect, like Mr. Perfect. Let me show you a few buttons from inside. Most of the parts were in this salad mayonnaise box, now they are on the car. So the dashboard is nice, and now it's a tricky job to return all these parts where they were. In these kinds of restorations, all these parts has to be checked, tried, lubricated, or whatever. It's not the point just to return them where they were, they have to work. So everything has to be like working properly. There is plenty of things in front of us. Most of them are mystery, but okay, we'll do it. After that, we're gonna hang the doors, boot, bonnet on the car and paint. You'll be informed about that. The basic idea is roof will be white. There will be a white stripe on the side. Back hinges and few other small details will be also white. It's a weird, it's a tricky combination, especially this line. We have to do that because the customer wants. It's very hard to do it because blue, white, blue looks nice, but it's very hard to produce a good result, which we are able to do. Let me show you the engine. Engine, right? So every detail is checked, sorted, and fitted on the block. I saw Kevin dealing with the sump. Sump is fine, the gasket is there, oil filter, timing, whatever, carburetor, pre-carburetor or whatever, even the fan is there. So this beauty, we're thinking to hang an engine and slide in the car, but probably we'll go with just the block and then gearbox later on the car. So this is how it looks like when the engine is done. This will be more polished. I think Kevin just place it over there to see is it everything okay, are the threads fine. The problem with this engine, no big problem, but most of actually all the bolts are imperial, and now it's very hard to find them, especially some unique threads on the bolts. So you have to watch all the time, is this one, because you have only one chance to place it, otherwise you can break and make a serious breakdown on the engine, which we don't want. Here are the more parts from Anglia. They are all polished, tested, painted, and Mr. Perfect Organizer placed them here, so we will leave them there. All this is waiting to be fitted on the car, right? Here is a, I'm calling that part laundry wire with some parts over there. We're having is checking and collecting. Anyway, the point of this story is this is our small mechanic workshop where we can do such a things. Sort everything, clean, paint, fit. When it's done, or at least 90% done, we can hang on the car. Next week, I already said that next week is a plan to put an engine in the car, check suspension one more time, then check wirings, make the dashboard work. There is different devices on over there, but they will work also. So I hope 2 months, 3 months, this car can be on the road. Follow us, like, subscribe or not, stay with us. Bye bye. Thank you.